Hi everyone, Kat here. This here is red wine, guys. I am trying to reduce the red wine into a thick balsamic vinegar or dressing. This is an experiment. I don't know if it's going to turn out, but I bought a box of those box wines, guys, and it was no good. I didn't like it at all. So instead of wasting the wine, I figure I'll turn it into something. So that's what I'm trying to do with this. And what I have here is about 7 cups of red wine. It's a cab, and I added to it 2 cups of sugar. And I'm just gonna boil this until it reduces by 50% or more, or until it's thick and saucy. So we'll see. We'll see how this turns out, guys. Okay, guys, so this has been simmering for about 35 minutes on medium to high heat. I've been stirring it occasionally, and it has reduced by quite a bit. As you can tell, look at the back of the spoon, it's stuck. So that's a good sign. I added another half a cup of sugar to this, guys, because I felt that it needed more sugar. And then I added 2 tablespoons of the Bragg's organic apple cider vinegar. I'm going to add another tablespoon more. I think it needs it. That, and then I'm going to season it. This is really, I don't think anybody's done this, but I'm going to try it. I'm going to season it with some chicken bouillon, some garlic powder, and black pepper. This is very unconventional, but I'm just experimenting. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, then I end up throwing it away. It's okay. At least I tried. So I'm gonna let this continue to reduce some more, but it's getting close. Let me just see how it tastes. Actually, it's not bad, guys. Not bad at all. Might need a little bit of salt, but I'm gonna wait. Yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna let it continue to reduce some more. Okay, guys, so this is done. Look at all that bubble. It's very thick now. Once this cools down, it's gonna be even more thicker, so this is good. This stage is good, I'm assuming. But here, let me see. Yeah, I did add a tablespoon of salt to it, guys, so that's gives it a bit more flavor. But see how thick that is? Yeah, it's perfect and delicious. So I'm just gonna let this cool down a little bit, and then I'm gonna put it into a jar. And voila, guys, my homemade balsamic vinegar made with red wine. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It's thick, syrupy molasses sauce. This is about 16 ounces. So from 7 cups of red wine reduced down to about 16 ounces, or about 2 cups. Just a little bit left in there, but yeah, so this is going to be great in salads. Drizzle this over salads, especially caprese salad. It's going to be great with some tomato and basil and mozzarella cheese. Just going to refrigerate this, and this should last about a month in the fridge if kept refrigerated. And I'm sure it's going to thicken up some once it's refrigerated, and I probably would have to warm it up by putting this into a bowl of hot water to unloosen the thickness. But yeah, I'm very proud of myself. It actually turned out pretty good, tastes pretty good. So I hope you will give this recipe a try too with leftover wine, guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.